everyone, it's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have maybe the most exciting video ever for you because I have a special guest, Jerusha. She's the OG of YouTube. If you know me, you know her, but if you don't know her, it's time to get to know her. Jerusha, welcome.
Hi guys, thank you so much for having me on Maddie's channel. This is so fun. This is so fun.
This is so fun. I mean, we've been chatting, talking luxury, like for the last 10 years before my hiatus when I first started, like, and it was just a few of us. And Jerusha reached out the other day and she's like, this Chanel cruise collection, it's so you, it's so Barbie, it's so fun. I want to do it. It's California. Let's do a joint video. So thank you, Jerusha, for reaching out.
Wanted to be in on it.
I'm so excited.
She made me though. If you guys have seen, well, obviously you've seen pretty much all of her hauls on, I keep saying 23. You didn't do Nej.
Yeah.
Did you do anything from Nej?
Oh, I did Nej. Yeah, I got the t-shirt and stuff.
Oh, yeah. But if you saw, but the most, well, I feel like you did a big haul in 23, but the way you displayed and showcased and amped, I feel like she really amped up what was coming for 24C, for cruise, and was so excited about it. And I just, hang on a second, pause. Jerusha doesn't shut up. Maddie doesn't edit. And I said, I don't know how I wouldn't be able to edit because I don't shut up. But pause, Jerusha. Insert here. Insert here. Miss Maddie came back after a hiatus of a little while. Kind of like the age of my eldest, but that's okay. 7. And I just told her, actually off camera that I am just so proud she's back. I really am. I really meant that when I said it.
So much.
You're welcome, because, and there's no gap. For me, as a subby of yours and as, you know, being together kind of in the beginning, there's no gap. Your smile is heaven, you come back on, it's just, and it's where you're at this time now, which I'm so proud of you that it's a Chanel moment, because it's just classic and it's forever. So this jewel idea is so fun.
Thank you. I can't stop crying. No, we're not gonna do that. And we're like in a race against time. My like freaking camera battery.
No.
All right, we're gonna jump into it. Stop. Don't panic.
Let me get my coffee. I'm so excited.
All right, so I was like, you were like, yeah, let's do a joint cruise unboxing. And then I was like, yeah. And I unboxed a bunch of cruise stuff, but actually, this is not from cruise. And it's actually,
you guys better watch my video.
And actually, I like got through telling you about how like my essays are so great. They can help me find anything or whatever. But this was like, I was way late to the game. So I had to go outside of my normal store.
Guys, you have no idea. She just tried to lie to me. Go and watch my video.
And so they came in the mail. I was like, what is this packaging? But that's fine. This is
She just lied to me. My video will be linked below hers of my unboxing. But she just outright lied to me in that video. It's not.
You lied to me about...
I lied to her that it wasn't her color range, but it's not even cruise and it's ginormous.
No, it's not ginormous.
You said this isn't in a box?
It's so
okay.
small.
Go. Sorry, I'm ruining her unboxing.
No. See?
Oh, okay.
Small.
Okay. But what
See,
was
that was
that?
just tissue from being shipped.
Oh.
It was like, because they shipped it, they
How
wrapped
much
it in
did that
tissue.
look like? A long wallet or like some sort of pochette like behind you?
See? I'm not that big of a liar. Okay.
Oh yeah.
So I saw one of my friends had this and I was like,
Who?
I need that. Where do I get that?
On Insta,
And they were like, sorry, it's long ground.
One of your...
No, an IRL, someone that I met in the boutique.
Oh, okay. Cute. Oh. In the... On the... I'm trying to... Oh my god!
Look at this.
Are you serious?
It is a little...
Yeah. Does it open?
Almond holder. It opens, there's a mirror. And then
I just
like
said
you can put
Polly Pocket to you.
You can
I was
a little, you can whisper a wish inside and then close it.
But the camellia
And there's a CC on the chin.
Is the camellia patent leather?
It's enamel. It's like, here, let me show the camera.
I see. It's actually like, it's enamel.
Yeah.
Oh, and it's got the little
It's enamel.
Hang on. Hold up. Stop,
And
please.
a CC on the chain.
Hang on. Hold.
And you
How is this
your
not
shoulder
cruise?
with.
Where is it from?
This is K for the jacket that I'm wearing. Here, let me pull the tag out and I'll share it. So this was $3,000 US, and this is from 23K.
So this
So
was
the one with the big camellia flower.
yeah, back with your on the front is behind you, the tweed with the camellia.
Yeah, this is the same collection. This and this.
Here it is. It's right here.
And this. But the way that my friend was wearing hers is she like wrapped it around her Kelly
Stop.
like that.
And it's the same.
Cute, like you could do like a bag
Little
charm
bag
kind
charm.
of thing.
Oh, sure, it around your neck. Like a lanyard.
Or like a little lanyard.
Stop.
The possibilities are really endless for this item.
Oh my god. Flip it around to the back for me so I can see. Is that
It's double-sided.
So it's double-sided. Wow, you don't
Double-sided.
know. Like
So it's a
in
flower on
these
both
lights,
sides.
in our lights, in our studios, it's coming. Can you guys kind of see? Like it's coming. It almost is coming across like patent leather.
Yeah. But no.
But no.
This is like in molded plastic. And then the inside.
So you get a
There's
little
a mirror on
I
one
mean, you
side.
can put your. You know those.
and
What
then
was I going to
leather.
say? Is it Hermes? Who Dior? They do those like. Oh no. Hermes
Oh.
does the little pot, like the little paint pots in a little coin.
I don't know.
You could put that in there.
You could put 2 quarters in here, or you could put like.
What did you just say before?
You
A
could put
peanut holder.
like
What did
3
you say?
almonds, and then you could be like eating your
She
almonds.
said it's an almond holder. Oh my god! That just reminded me to do some lip gloss. I need your little almond holder.
Yeah, you need the almond holder to do your lip gloss in. Check your makeup.
Yeah.
How freaking cute. To me, this is like truly a collector's item.
Is a collector.
You know, like either you wear it out and it's like such big impact, or you have it as a collector's piece and you just hang it with all your other bags and the stars and whatever. So
it is.
Anyway.
Yeah, it is definitely coming across like major minority.
Yeah. But the price is like
share.
perfection.
Share.
It was $3,000 US. So like 3,300 total. So like, right? If the car was 20,000 from Cruise,
The minivan thing.
yeah, the minivan was 20, and this is 3.
7, 6, 6, 3.
So it would be like
no, 5, 7. 5, 7 Australian.
5.7.
If you don't subscribe to Maddie Shops, okay, wipes the floor with us. We think we are the zhuzh in the luxury
Stop.
community.
Stop.
Shut up. We are nothing. We are nothing. Oh, we collect this. Look, are you serious?
Stop.
To be committed, though, I just told her before, to be committed as a VIC, which is what she is, as I told her, not to be crude, but shit runs downhill. This chick is buying ready to wear. I'm a broken record. But as a fashion designer, Maddie, I just have to tell you guys on her channel, because this is her video, you guys don't understand. To play ready to wear is like stacks, okay? And that's what I was going to say. And that's what Kat and Amy, if you saw our live from a couple of months ago.
Yeah.
We were talking about Hermes, and we were talking about like who basically gets offered these, the 24 vote, with the front,
Yeah,
die.
yeah.
I would die. I would die for the white
Right,
one.
yeah.
I would do anything for the white one, right? Not Himalayans only, which you'd die anyway, but the little like, so I'm like, who gets those? Who gets offered those? And she was like, it's pretty much, you know, it's still like on a...
But that's another level.
That is another
Hermes,
level.
yes,
I could
we're
go
off
on all
topic,
night.
we're
I
Hermes.
want to rave about her all night, but unbelievably gorgeous little item. I love it. I am shook.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh my
You're
god.
shook. It's small. Thanks so much for doing this video
You
with
are
me.
so-
I had the best time, guys. If you like this video, there is another one on Jerusha's channel where you can watch me react to her unboxing. So make sure you go and check that out. I'll link it down below. And Jerusha, thank you so, so much for doing this with me. I really appreciate it.
You're
And if you guys
welcome.
aren't subscribed already, if you came over from Jerusha's side, hit subscribe.
Hit the
Come on, you guys,
subscribe
it'll be fun.
button and the likes.
Okay, thank you guys so much. Okay, I'll talk to you guys later. Have a very great night. Bye.
Bye.